Hi, I'm Dale and welcome to Spotted Motors. Today we are heading to Bagshot breakfast meet, which is held at Pineridge Golf Club. This meet is for custom cars, hot rods, street rods, American cars, the odd classic car, and I'm heading there in my 944. This car doesn't really fit into anything that I've just said there, maybe the classic car bit, but it is mainly the custom car and the street car stuff, so I won't be muscling in and trying to park alongside them all, but I will park opposite them and I can get a few videos and a few snaps as well. There is a couple of other car shows on today and car meets, so I'm not too sure how busy it's going to be. I do know that Dubs in the Park is on today, which is quite a popular show with the Volkswagen lads, and there is a couple of Volkswagen lads normally turning up to this one. There is also a meet in Dorking, which is run by petrolheads. That normally gets a good attendance, so that might struggle. Today we're getting some people from the Bagshot meet. And also Santa Pod's on today, which again is mega popular with the custom car and hot rod guys, American guys. So yeah, we'll turn up and see what's there. Worst case scenario, I have to cheer myself up and get myself a coffee and a nice English breakfast. So it can't be too bad. We're about 10 minutes away from the meet. The sun's shining, my Porsche's running well, and I am ready for a coffee, so I think that's the first port of call. So I'll catch you up when I get there, and hopefully it's a half decent turnout. And here we are, Bagshot breakfast meet. Around about 25-30 cars here. Mainly American V8, custom car, street rods, hot rods, Mini. My 944 is parked sort of out the way. So we'll have a quick walk round, see what's on offer. Plymouth Barracuda, Camaro, and a Trans Am. What would you have out with them three? Or the TVR, maybe. So that thing that's just started up.
You want you'll love the thing we're building at the moment. It's a 1950s Henny's lorry.
It is, yeah, because it's a Ford truck, so we've got 351
Subaru engine.
For a customer.
It's a Thames cross car. Yeah, an old ex-lumber yard lorry.
Yeah, I'll do it, please.
Something to do in the downtime. You don't have much of these days. But yeah, like I say, I mean, the potential for this, put the turbo engine in, you could have 4
The line comes up in front of the radio, so we fitted all those 24 cars around there and a radio. We've just got the radio working again, it's got a valve radio. Yeah. And put it right at the front because it makes quite a loud buzz. Yeah.
Now this thing is a Lincoln Continental. Look at the paintwork on this thing.
They was going to go right, but they decided to come straight. And the thing is I just thought we could start building up the history.
Definitely the loudest car here today. Guess the engine. As you've probably guessed, I'm at the exit. Don't think the DB9 was a part of the show, but definitely got a shot of it leaving. Oh, nice noise. So if you are interested in coming to the bagshot breakfast meet here at Pineridge Golf Club, it is the second Sunday of every month and they have a brand new menu. And it is nice to pop along, grab a coffee, a bacon roll or a bacon sarnie or a bacon bun, depends where in the country you come from to what you call it. I prefer calling it a bacon bun. Let the debate commence. Two mini pickups. This one has the Honda engine. See if we get a bit of limiter bashing. That is a gorgeous colour on that Mustang. So, the majority of cars have left now. I'm going to head home myself. I'd like to thank Bagshot Breakfast Meat for having me. It's been a fantastic morning. Met some real nice people, seen some real nice cars as well. Don't forget, this is on the second Sunday of every month if you want to pop along. If you don't already do so, follow me on Instagram, which is @spottedmotors. This is going to be episode 2 of Spotted Motors on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.